What you're about to witness is an illegal stop that happened August 13th, 2023, almost a year and a half ago. I, Benjamin, was at a bar with a buddy of mine. It's a doctor buddy. He hasn't been in town for about, 6 months. And so we decided to meet there, talk about our experiences in the last 6 months, have a few drinks, and head home. So I got dropped off by my girlfriend. She was at my house. I had her use my vehicle. After we were done meeting, the bar was about to close at about 2 o'clock or so. I gave her a call, told her, hey, go ahead and come pick me up. I'll be ready. I'll be out front. All right. So I saw her pull up at about, 2:10. I saw her pull up. And immediately I saw a squad that was hiding in the alley approximately 13 feet from the door, pull out of the alley, park behind her, and then activate the emergency lights. I knew instantly something was off. I've already had police interactions in the past. I've sued them twice. My vehicles are known. And so when she was pulled over in my vehicle, which everything on my vehicle is current, plates, registration, insurance, also my license. So I was already at the car talking to her when he pulled out behind her, telling me to back away and let him do his thing, and walked up to the car and told her he was pulling her over because her license plate was suspended. How did you see that when she just passed you 2 seconds ago, and the alley that you came out of is 13 feet away from the entrance and you can't even see the back of the vehicle? So I already knew something was off at that point, which aggravated me and agitated me. And then when he gave the reasoning, I knew also you can't run a plate that quickly. It was literally 5 seconds. You can't run a plate that you didn't see in 5 seconds. So what you're going to see is me already in the squad. There are other videos you can watch that will explain the beginning of this before the intro, so to speak, if you would like to just get on the channel. But this is a video that specifically shows how officers will mute their body cams and conspire. We were both charged with obstruction of justice and resisting arrest. Hers was dropped before she even got to court. I suspect so that they could go further with my charges without using the stop as the reasoning. But preview for yourself. Here you are. Hope you enjoy.
Made it an even bigger thing.
Okay. So she was the driver, but then she went up on the sidewalk.
She must have stepped out while we were dealing with him.
So, taking him for resisting, obstructing?
Yeah.
Okay. What about her? I mean, it's going to be the same thing, whether we do state engaged or arrest, I don't care. She's got the same charges. Do we have her information if we got that far to see if she has a license?
I'm assuming this is Benjamin Mann. I'm fine with just NTAing him at this point. I mean...
Okay. Yeah, if you want to just do state NTAs on both of them, that's fine.
I don't know why he had to turn that into some huge thing, so...
I don't know. Alright, let's get her information and start running her and see what her license is.
Let me check it.
Figure out what you're going to do with the traffic part of it.
Alright.
I'll knock the door.
No, take me to jail, but they fucked up. No, hey, I don't care. You fucked up. Alright, I'll talk to you. Let's talk. Freedom of speech. I'm on a public sidewalk. For you to be, what did you say I'm charged with? Obstruction? Yeah. You realize that. I'm on the sidewalk, freedom of speech, and I got manhandled. You realize I'm going to talk to the person, and we find out my name is who I am. Because I'm trained. Sergeant is supposed to train that.
Do you have her ID?
No, I didn't even... Wait, actually...
Someone's got it.
Yeah, I might have it.
That's right, stay with the rules. Yes, we got it. Correct me first. Hold on. No, alright. Alright, no, that's fine. Do what you gotta do.
Yeah.
Just know. Is that her information?
Yeah.
Okay, 715, Selena.
Now, what you need to do is going to correct it. Hey. We'll correct the talking sidewalk. You got city physically stop you. Jump at you. Y'all got body cams. You know where you got body cams? Yeah, you want to look that up and find out too. The reason you guys have body cams is because of me. You already whooped my ass. You want to get fucked up. Fucking mad.
Nothing. Just being drunk.
It doesn't matter. It's First Amendment, freedom of speech. I'm on a public sidewalk. You have no right.
No.
Now, listen. Go ahead. Go. Cops quiet.
Last name, Boy, Robert, Adam, David, Lincoln, Edward, John,
When I say
first
it doesn't
name,
matter.
King, Adam, Nora, Edward, Sam, Henry, Ida, Adam, middle initial, Anna, Nora, date of birth, 5/3/83, female.
When their actions weren't doing go ahead and explain to me why they were justified in their actions, why I was on a public sidewalk exhibiting freedom of speech. Tell me why they did what they did and why it's okay. For the record,
I'll be back.
Before that.
Unbelievable.
I would agree with you. You know, if you're hanging up there on that building, his shoe and his glasses are.
What would $2022 Cynthia?
Right out, go home, and contact my civil rights defender and do what I gotta do like I did.
I'm not even taking you to jail.
Ego.
I'm
your training kicked in.
I'm not even taking you to jail, man.
I don't care. So you fucked with the right one tonight. Good job. I'll show you. I'll show you better than I can do.
All right.
Go ahead. You do this every night, right? But you ran into the right one. Yeah, nice. That's right. You're qualified immunity out the fucking window because you just did something illegal. I'm on a public sidewalk. freedom of speech, telling you how I feel about you. And I got tackled, wrestled, and hurt. I'm hurting right now. Actually, I need an ambulance. You hurt me for freedom of speech. Let's do it.
That's not how that works,
I don't care what you say. You hurt me, rookie, for freedom of speech. Let's do it. I don't care what you say. I bet you.